Just a simple store, simple door, barely on the hinges but not on the floor. Walk on in, grab your feed, and most of all, don't forget the seed. Sneed and feed, of course we well seeds. We sell everything a good old country boy needs. Big old boots and real loud trucks, fancy German cars and all that stuff. Come on down and sit around spaz, and the boys will show you how. We laugh at people who are just like us all while we don't give a fuck. You want good content? I'm sorry, we don't have that. When you came in here, did you see the sign that said quality good just inside? You didn't? You wanna know why? 'Cause it ain't fucking there, you stupid piece of shit. What? Did you think this was some channel where we grift off lowest hanging fruit that every other YouTuber talk about? Do I sound like a good guy with a golden voice? What did you expect? Well, maybe it's a you problem. I mean, fuck, I can't maintain a stream, let alone have a proper upload schedule. You think we do this for money or something? Fuck no, we're broke as hell in this bitch. Like, comment, and